Are you manually capturing your leads, organizing them manually, and afterwards you are manually sending them WhatsApp messages for following up with them? Then I have bought this automation for you, which is going to perform all these functions in one go. So here I'm going to fill this Facebook lead ads form, and you will see that my lead is successfully captured, organized, and my business is automatically following up that lead. So here I have filled this Facebook lead ads form, providing the email, first name, last name, phone number, and the city of my leads. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now the data of my this lead might be added to my Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check for this leads data. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as Facebook Leads, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the data of my lead having the full name, email, phone number, and the city. So this shows that I have successfully captured and organized my lead. And here on my WhatsApp, I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says, "Hi new lead, thanks for connecting with us on Facebook." So you can see that this automation is performing multiple functions. So you can also create an automation like this, performing multiple functions in one go. So now you don't have to do anything manually. And for that, you just have to use one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate your varieties of business applications and can automate your entire business task. So now let me show you how you can also automate this process by using this automation tool. So now let's move on towards my workflow page for creating this automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by opening your browser and typing the URL of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And right here we are on the official website of Pabbly Connect, where we are getting two options. That is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. Means you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, providing you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plan of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product, because you might get some other coupon codes as well, providing you just 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation, which is going to do multiple tasks. That is capturing your leads, organizing them to the Google Sheet, and follow up them instantly. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate my this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection, you just have to select this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads. And I have already logged in my Facebook account, so I'm going to select it by simply selecting this continue button. Now let's select this continue button again, and here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly. And here on my Facebook account, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, through which I'm going to receive my new leads data. So now I'm going to select this page from this drop down, and here we have to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to select this form, that is new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this particular page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads, and the response format is simple, and click over the save and send test request. And here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. So now let's provide the webhook response by submitting our Facebook lead ads form over the Metaphor developers page. So right here I'm on my Metaphor developers page, where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And here on the developer tools, I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTU debug tool, which will lead us to the lead ad testing tool page, where again I'm going to select my page, that is the Magic Makers, and the same form, that is new leads. Now let me delete my previous lead, because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And here you can see that the lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button for getting our Facebook lead ads form, which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this form providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead as form, which is successfully submitted. Now this data might be captured over the Pabbly Connect as we have just built in the connection. So here on my Pabbly Connect, you can see that we are successfully receiving the response consisting all the details of the Facebook lead. Now I'm going to add this data or organize this data in my action application followed by this trigger application, that is Google Sheets. And now let's select the app event as add new row and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to use my existing connection. And here you can see that the connection has been built in. And now we have to select the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to select my spreadsheet, that is Facebook leads. And afterwards, we are getting all these fields where we have to enter the details of our lead. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type it like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from my previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. And for mapping the field, you just have to press the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. Now likewise, I'm going to map the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your Facebook lead ads form. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving positive response. So this shows that the data might be added to the Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where I'm successfully receiving the data of my lead. So we have successfully organized the data in the Google Sheet. Now let's follow up with these customers by sending WhatsApp messages. So here I'm going to add my new action application, that is going to be Pabbly Chat Flow. So Pabbly Chat Flow is an automation tool provided by Pabbly by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers. And now let's select the app event as send text message and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you have to enter the token. And for getting the token, let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page. And right here we are on this page where we can see this application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow, which I'm going to access now. And right here we are on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chat Flow where I have already added my WhatsApp number. So make sure to firstly do it, and afterwards you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of API and webhooks. And right here we are getting this token which you have to copy and enter so that you can build the connection. Now let's just save it. And here the connection has been built in. Now let's map the recipient WhatsApp mobile number from the response of the Facebook lead ads. And now let's enter the WhatsApp message which we are going to send to our user. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word hi, I'm going to map their name so that I can send personalized message. So here I have mapped the first name. Now let's map the last name too. So here I have mapped it, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. But before that, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as that was just a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And right here the response says that the message is sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check for this message. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says hi test lead, thanks for connecting with us on Facebook. And here we are receiving the same name of the lead which has just filled our Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully followed up with this customer. So here you can see that this automation has performed multiple functions, that is capturing the leads, organizing them to the Google Sheet, and following up with them by using WhatsApp messages. So you can also create a multifunctional workflow by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.